trying to figure out how to replace their livelihood after thousands of dollars of tools were stolen.
At a crime wave in the San Fernando Valley, thieves are targeting work vans, hoping to score some prized property.
More than $50,000 worth of product was gone when staff arrived on scene.
Okay, we got a RAM 2500 Promaster van, 2020. We give him the linker unit with the alarm system, so he's able to, if anybody opens the door, breaks the window, or tries to break into his truck, his van while he's out at work or inside a building doing some type of job, it will automatically fire off the alarm and he'll receive the alert in his phone. To arm it, you're going to hit lock. Okay. Chirps. Locks your doors. I'll give him the confirmation. Doors are locked. Disarm it. Gonna hit unlock. Unlocks your doors. And he'll get the confirmation here on the phone that the doors are unlocked. This is the voltage battery of the actual unit inside. The signal of the actual unit inside, so you know if you're in and out of the range. It's got GPS. When you hit this little guy and you hit it here, it will show where the vehicle is. But for security reasons, I'm not going to show the location, but it does pop up the map and you can change it to satellite image. Then it's got, I'll show you, it comes with the remote control that you can arm it from here. Locks your doors. Disarms it, unlocks your doors. It's got panic button. If you hold the button down, you can fire the alarm off. All right, it's got the tower antenna, little antenna. I'm sorry, well, not tower antenna. The little antenna at the top that has the blue LED lights gonna flash at night. And that antenna, what is nothing to do with the GPS. It just gives you a signal for the actual unit. For the remote control, you can operate it from far away. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the window. That will fire off the alarm. See, now you get the alert. Okay. Then of course, if anybody opens any of the doors, well, and by the way, you can have, what's nice about this is if you have your phone on vibrate at night, the app will still send you the push notification. They added that feature. I'm gonna go ahead and open the door. The alarm fires off.